I remember getting on the bus that day, and it was always daunting to get on the bus because it was like kind of walking the gauntlet. You know, I was a shy little kid, and we'd get on there, and it would be full, and so you're walking as a first grader down the aisle, like looking for an open seat. You know, and I just remember looking both directions, and there's like no place to sit, and I went. I think it was almost all the way to the back of the bus, you know, and by then my anxiety level is like up there, you know, because I can't find a seat, and I was too embarrassed to like want to squeeze three in there. I guess some of the seats probably already had three, but anyway, I remember getting to the back, and you were sitting in the seat by yourself, and I just remember asking if I could sit there, and you I think he just moved over and said sure, and sat down, and we started talking and kind of struck up that conversation that day. So kind of found out that we had a lot in common, you know, with farm stuff and background, and kind of learned, I don't know, where you lived maybe, and I don't remember exactly what all we talked about. I just remember thinking, oh, this is somebody I could enjoy hanging out with or talking to, because we had enough in common that it was easy to talk, easy conversation. And you were super outgoing, you were a good conversationalist and easy to talk to. And I just remember you really putting me at ease with that. It wasn't just like you opened a seat and we just sat there the whole time. You actually engaged me in conversation and made me feel welcome, and that kind of thing. And I think that's really what made the difference, Matt. More than anything.
Yeah. Well, in my mind, what I remembered is we started having this conversation, and I remember saying things like, I play with toy tractors, and you're like, I do too. Well, okay, cool. And then I was like, I like to play with farm stuff. Yeah, me too. And it was just like everything you said, I was like, yeah, yeah, I like that. And it was just like, you like that? I like that. Wow. And it was just like, I was just like, I can't believe that I met somebody like this. Nobody even knew what I was talking about. And you would think at Roosevelt there were kids that knew that, but I hadn't found anybody.
Right, yeah.